Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger not receiving calls or messages. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Chrome browser and check your internet speed and open that website. So make sure that you have a good internet connection. So sometimes this issue happen due to poor internet connection. And after that, you simply need to check that is Messenger down. So sometimes you can see a huge spike here like this. So it means that messenger servers are down and the Facebook team is working on that to fix that issue. And sometimes this issue happen that messenger servers are down and you can see an issue. And after that you need to open Play Store and update your messenger application. So it will fix your issue, but still you face an issue. You simply need to open the settings, go into the app management, go into the app list and search for the messenger, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to reinstall the application again, and it will fix your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.